Gift 1.
I drew on it.
I bought this yesterday.
Which gives it extra authenticity.
Ooh.
For your camera.
I love them. Hey, apparently the cute one. Because I always felt like a fraud walking around with the kangeroos. We're gonna go get our favorite donut from OMG Donuts if you ever come to Australia. It's this really, really good donut place. They make vegan, wheat-free, yeast-free, and they're honestly the most amazing donuts we've ever had.
Then we're gonna come home and plant some vegetables.
And have a bath with some lush bath bombs. Alright, let's go get some donuts. These remind me of the trees in Atlanta. Kind of digging the afro. Finally finished the garden. I'm still learning.
No telling where it goes.
Hey, Artie.
Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
So it's been about like 5 days since last time I recorded, but that is because not much happened. My birthday ended and then pretty much we just like to work and everything. But we're going camping this weekend and I'm super excited. I just finished packing up the car. I'm waiting for Joe to come out of work and then we're gonna hit the road. It's about 3.5 hours away. It's our first time in New South Wales since restrictions have lifted. So really, really excited to get away. Kind of figuring out what to do with my hair, kind of pinning it back. I don't know. I feel like I'm in the 80s, but we're working on the hair. I am meant to start my period either tomorrow or Friday, which I think I said, but I'm also feeling very period-like today. So maybe I'll start today. We'll have to wait and see. That thinks that kangaroos are rare. They're literally just like deer. Oh.
heart. I long to see you when the day is done. I wanna rest and lay in your side.
Local honey to where are we? Potato Point.
So tired.
Last night there was a possum
Kept getting into our groceries.
like 8 different times in the middle of the night.
It was like Honey Hill, like
Now we're gonna get out and set up the target.
I'd jump in the swag and go back to sleep. 20 minutes later I'd be jumping out and chasing the possum away.
Yeah, it was a long night. Yeah.
G'day. Day for it. Okay.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, that's sea urchin without its spikes.
Oh, we should take it.
Yeah. They're just very fragile. If you put any pressure on it, you'll crack it.
Okay. Well, we'll see how long.
Piece of oyster.
There's so much pretty stuff here. Look, the bigger version of the one you found.
It's not a competition.
How's it going, mate?
Trying something
Are
new.
you putting it on from inside in?
Yep. And it's working. How good's that?
He's the brilliant one. So what are you going out looking for?
Abalone.
And lobster.
Maybe black pearls.
Really?
If I'm lucky. Sometimes abalone has black pearls in them.
You have to give me some jewelry made. That'd be awesome. Hey.
That's around the time of the going.
We're gonna get a professional shot. Start at the feet. Oh, there he goes. He's going again.
It's like, gotta leave for us.